Well, hello, and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Oh, yesterday, I was shooting a video, and it was just everything was going wrong. It's been a long time. Most everything going wrong. Pretty much everything. So, this is not the day. So, I don't know what was all wrong. Maybe there's a thing with this monitor, but certainly it did sound like the sound was working. What do we have here? We have a 64. It seems to be working. That is good, although it's only black and white on the screen. What does this come up with? It's screwed. Oh god. Alright. We're gonna try again. Anyway, you know what? It was one of those things where I think I was trying to do too much in a hurry. That does not go well. So, red in red, yellow in yellow, white in white. Flip the switch. Where's the switch? Flip it a time or two. What do we have? We've got a 64, and it's blue. That looks a little not so great. What's Well, that looks some better. Anyway, what I had wanted to do was test the 64 that I got yesterday, and it just wasn't happening. So, enough of that. More than enough of that. This is the 64 from yesterday. Ugh. Set it over. There were a bunch of things that I got. There were. All right. Look. Get to Bradley's basic. Well, I put that in now. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. One beautiful thing that it does, amongst many, many things, don't stick it in without looking, is the screen comes up black and white. Now, we've lost some memory, but that's okay. Now here is the SID chip that was in this computer. But that's where things went stupid. Where everything just wasn't happening well. And I was getting befuddled and baffled, etc. 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 Alright, so I think today it's time to take a serial cable. And I know I had one. Oh, a power cable, yes. Oh no, it's stuck over there. Alright. You know what I'm going to do? Because I got it right in front of me. I'm going to plug in this disk drive. And then I'm going to turn it around. This one's kind of beat up. But it's, does it work? Well, I don't know. So I have here the 1571 test images. Let's choose catalog. Device not present. Okay. Let's turn this off. Turn this on. The drive cycles. Device not present. Catalog on unit 9. Look at that. And we are having some difficulty. Read error. Alright, well, we'll open 15, comma 9, comma 15, comma quote I0, quote colon, 2 colon, not a semicolon, close 50. Now, also, do I know if this disk is actually good? No, I don't. Do I know anything about this disk drive? No, I do not. So, let's take this other disk. See if it has any better luck. Oh yeah. Catalog on unit 9. Well, that disk works, so. Oh. Oh, right. And of course, this is not going to work. Oh. Wow. Maybe it will. Maybe it's smart enough to say, hey, if you loaded it off device 9, then maybe turn the disk over. Alright, we'll turn the disk over. And now we're looking for a joystick. Ho, ho, ho. This is not what I had in mind. Oh. And you know what? I'm going to say that's enough of that for the moment. The disc comes out of there a little tough, but it is coming out. Now, so here we have, back to the 1571 test demo disc. Let's turn this on. Catalog on unit 9. Strange as it seems, it may be I actually have a Commodore disk that is bad. Just because we're here and we're just trying to test these disk drives. Let's try and read another disk. Okay. Well, that is good. Funny, I did have, see, you know, one of the worst things when you tidy up is then you don't have what you need where you need it, when you need it. This is frustrating. I'm sure this isn't going to make any difference. Let's put it upside down. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. All right. So this disk drive, scratched and kind of weaseled out as it is, it does seem to be working. It does. Maybe I need to look for some more discs and see what's what. Anyway, have a lovely day. See you again. Bye for now.